Why replace your rooftop? It's working. Yeah, it may be 15, 16 years old. And sure, you have to spend some unbudgeted capital on unexpected repairs. But why spend money on a new one? Number one, you'll pay more to keep that old unit operating than it would cost to replace. Not to mention the increased efficiency and reliable comfort a new unit provides. No worries about unplanned maintenance or costly emergency repairs. Number two, with a new York packaged or split DX system rooftop unit, you'll save money up front, while you ensure building operations keep humming along uninterrupted, and occupants stay comfortable. You get a direct replacement fit, a perfect fit in fact. No need for costly transition curves, no repiping, no need for any structural engineering analysis. Compared to the competition, York rooftop models deliver higher efficiency and lower operating costs over a lifetime of use. Start to finish, a new York rooftop is your happy replace.